water. Means you have a clog in the line. Okay?
So we
Now
should
the chiller
turn
is on.
the chiller when there is only one red.
And
No.
the detector temperature changed
Just
from
after
red
turning
to
Just
green
after 10 to minutes.
after like 5 minutes
Okay?
Okay.
of
No.
running the chiller.
All of green.
Okay, friends, see. Remember, huh?
Yeah.
If you don't choose the instrument, remove this one because you will look to reduce the, to remove the tension on the pipe. Okay? If you keep it like this and this is like forever, let's say 1 month, you did not use the machine, when you're going to use it, this is already worn out because its tension is there. So you have to, after analysis or after using the instrument, remove it like this. Okay?
So I will make it again.
How to install it? There is a slot here on the bottom, put it on the other side also same, just pull down until and push it up. Okay?
Okay.
So it's like this. Same with the other one. Okay? And then close the lever. Close the lever on the other one. Sometimes it's not enough, you have to type it, to press it more by breaking this small knob on the top. Okay? See,
Now
red,
we have to
wait.
put the samples now.
You have to put the sample at the same time. You have a beaker?
بكر كاين كاس هنا
You can use this
ممكن-
one, no problem.
نمشي نجيبو.
لا ما يحتاج
This is
خلاص.
blank.
This is black. At the same time, we are going to use this for cleaning the
The injector, the needle.
sample needle.
ويكون عاوتاني كل ما تكوز عينه سيكون يعني تنظيف.
ما يحصلش كاري اوفر
لا
يعني.
تنظيف بعد ذلك تمر العينه الثانيه.
نعم.
So let's assume this is clean. I'm sure there is calcium, magnesium here. That's the last.
كاس
لا.
نحطو فينا.
Sodium maybe. You have a heater better. You will always have
بكر انا نمشي نجيبهم.
طيب.
I can manually operate it. Okay. Rinse. Go to manual. So this is the home page setup. Click the small button
Okay.
and then rinse. I can even go to standard one, but problem I have to remove this one now by mistake. It will break the needle.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's rinsing now to the waste bottle.
That's huh?
نعم. في ميه في الحنفيه. في ميه.
So we have to go how to for this window?
For this window, so this is from the dashboard. Okay. Go to setup. There is small maximize button here. Click it. And then if I click home, for example, it will go up. This. And then the peristaltic pump at the back will stop. Okay? So this is, for example, this is the initial position. I want to rinse the needle manually. Then go to bins. Okay? So every, let's say for example, every analysis blank, if you are going to the standard one, it will go to rinse position. Okay? We'll do the rinsing. So home. Okay? I don't know if this is still blank. But we will let it blank.
ترى بيسمن الماء فقط هنا. ترى بيسمن الماء.
طيب.
الماء هنا.
Okay? Now you do the job.
I do the rinsing again.
It's
Or-
up to you. It's for practice, doctor. No
So
problem.
okay, he
For
will-
example, you click here to close the rinse. Okay?
Okay,
For
so if
example,
we go
I-
back,
I
we
want
go
to
from
rinse.
here, right?
Because for sure, if you don't use this instrument for 1 month, 2 months, dust will be there and out of there for the first time.
Rinsing from here, and this is out sample, right?
This is the rack, doctor. Rack,
This
rack
Rex,
1.
yes.
Okay?
Rack one,
This is
rack
the
two.
standard.
This is standards.
This is
and
rinse.
this is I know, but I want to see the samples, the numbers.
Ah.
So
we
this
just need to rinse this auto, this needle, right? And that's all.
Yes.
اوكي انت ريدي عشان تحط العينات؟ خلاص حط العينات بقى.
So here, doctor, before you ignite the plasma, I suggest that you rinse it like this.
اوكي.
Okay? And then go now to the one here. Then,
Start this.
yeah. And then, okay. Just wait. You can see also the status from here, getting ready. So you hear the tick. That means he's checking if there is a torch or something inside. Later, the plasma will be ignited. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we hear a voice and then the plasma
Now
ignites.
here you will, yes, okay? You
Okay.
see the light, white light. And here as well you will find that
So we'll find the green.
then here she moved the shipper to the wash position. This is already in the wash position. Just press OK. Okay?
Okay.
Now, first step, actually when you remove the torch, you have to perform torch alignment.
So we got torch alignment.
Yes. But now you cannot because still the system is warming up.
Okay. So it's
5 minutes.
5 minutes only.
Which is warming up?
It's warming up the system because we just ignited the plasma. Okay? It has to stabilize the plasma, the flow, and everything. I set it to 5 minutes. The default is 15 minutes. You can change it as you like. Okay?
Warming up. So we go skip.
And we can skip it, but better you wait, doctor, because we just started.
Okay.
The default setting is 15 minutes.
15
So I
minutes
already
is the
shortened
default.
it. I
So
shortened
we
it to 5 minutes
can make it to 5
to
minutes.
save some time. Okay? Now,
So how to change the default here?
before, you remember when I click here, when you click here, there is a pop-up window.
So we click. Can we click again?
You cannot. It's warming up.
So while it's running, we cannot click this
No.
button here.
You cannot. Before you can remember, doctor, before you ignite the plasma, when you click this one, there is a pop-up window,
Okay.
and there is a word here, warm up 5 minutes.
Oh,
So
so,
for
okay.
5 minutes
so,
you can change.
Okay.
Okay? Then make it 15 minutes, something like that. If you're doing something,
Okay.
you can
So
warm it
we put the samples now.
We can put the sample now from here. We'll have another standard. Okay. Okay. Good.
Okay.
والعينات وين وما يا دكتور؟ مش
ها؟
السامبل وين السامبل؟
حط بقى دكتور الستاندرد.
ستاندرد والعينات فين وين؟
والعينات حط العينه
وين العينات؟
ما هو العينه استعمل الستاندرد 1 از سامبل. Okay. Standard 1 and 2.
So,
we schedule them.
I
We
want to
schedule
ask you
standard 1 and standard 2 as a sample.
About this
So we
torch
put standard 1,
alignment. We
2,
have to
3,
do this
4.
torch alignment
العينة
for
لو
every
standard.
analysis.
If we remove the torch only.
The
Sorry?
the standard.
Remove the torch.
So it would detect automatically. It would tell us about the
No.
alignment. No.
You have to do it.
So we have to keep in mind.
Yes. You can skip it.
Uh-huh.
It's recommended.
Uh-huh.
See, friend, this is standard.
Standard.
No.
This standard.
No. Wow. Yes. Because this one will be blank.
Black.
Okay. And then the sample, doctor. We use it standard one as a sample.
Let's say tomorrow.
خلاص okay. So these left for as a
Black.
blank, and then standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, and standard 4.
عنده الشغل السامبل اللي عنده عنده السامبل.
عايزين نضيف نايتريك كمان. ايوه
Yes.
نايتريك.
We need actually a permanent movie maker for all the
This is
training.
sample.
Of course.
Yes.
I don't know, there is a
this
software.
is really required actually.
Yeah, yeah. I like this all the time.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
For all my trainings,
Yeah.
I like
We will
to
do this one.
shoot it.
Yeah, but
Torch alignment.
a person who is making it, he cannot concentrate on.
No, I concentrate.
No, no,
I
no.
use-
Don't worry. I have a video how to create the method here. I will put it here. Okay.
Movie.
Not
Ah.
with the camera. It's
Video.
screen.
Oh,
you will see. You will see the mouse pointing here,
Uh-huh.
and there is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
voice.
Simulator.
Okay.
So now we have the samples.
So suppose what?
This is a standard one.
So you have to keep in mind what you are.
No,
Wi-Fi?
I'm focusing. Don't worry.
Uh-huh.
You will know it.
I used to do it all the time.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean,
good. It's very
training, focusing
I
with
mean,
the training and with
it's
the camera.
better even than writing, I think.
I used to do it all the time.
Yeah, because while you are writing, you are missing some points. But with it,
Oops. See. Sometimes you will create a problem. Yeah.
I loaded all the movies yesterday, and I left the space for
okay.
the movies for today.
So we have
Okay.
to fill up to which level? These sample.
It will take only 2-3 ml. So it's not big deal.
2 or 3 ml.
Half it will work. Half.
Half.
Half
So
it's still it will work.
half
but
of the
it's
half of
more
your.
better. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
So we
actually,
go to-
friend, we have to do the torch alignment. Why? Because we remove the torch and we start. See, wait. Introduce the sample to the solution. The problem is, if you remember, the needle is here. To do the torch alignment, you have to use this one. So cancel the torch.
Always.
Yes. Oh, the torch alignment when you remove only the torch.
What is the name of this solution?
Loaded blank
Loaded blank.
with zinc. 2 ppm zinc.
So this is used only for the alignment.
Torch alignment.
Okay. And
When you remove the torch,
replace
it's
the tape.
recommended to perform torch alignment. So what I will do now, I'll go here, I will go to number 10. Clear?
Okay, so we'll go to
from
number
here,
10.
I will point it to number 10. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? And then,
So we click first on torch alignment, and then he will show up a message.
No,
Right?
no. Actually, we have to put it first to number 10.
All the time.
Yes, it's
I
up to
mean-
you. We can select here or where.
I mean, it is scheduled for number 10 all the time to do the torch
Not
alignment.
necessary.
So how so
I can
I
put
pick up
it number 9 also, if I want. Okay? Since
Okay.
I put in number 10, the loaded blank, so I select number
Okay.
10 here. Okay?
okay.
Clear? And then I will go to is it? Here, torch alignment.
Okay.
See, introduce the sample to
ppm
ppm
zinc
scene.
solution and press okay. So we go okay.
Clear? Because if this one is in the rinse position, it will take the blank instead of the
The solution for the rinsing.
for the torch alignment.
We need the sticker though.
Cancel. Okay. Continuous. No, we cancel it before.
Sorry?
Okay.
It's running. You know there is an error message here. Remember?
Yeah.
Unable to complete. Reason cancel. Remember we cancel because I told you you have to position first the
Yeah.
before you because if you click for touch alignment it will take from the rinse solution.
Do you have under touch element?
Hmm?
Do you have under في تاني
No.
لا 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 احنا دي هنقفلها ونكتب عليها torch alignment.
No, we don't have this pen. But you can prepare. This is 2 ppd. Sorry.
These
ppm
Yes, ppm.
ppm.
It's 2 ppm zinc solution.
2 ppm
Zinc solution.
Which zinc salt?
zinc
Zinc.
solution.
Which zinc salt?
يعني
Which zinc salt?
الزيت
This is zinc chloride, zinc sulfate.
It's not mentioned.
No, it should be actually.
So why we have to prepare this?
Actually, doctor, this one is only if you remove the torch.
Okay.
Okay, you have to do the torch alignment. If you don't remove it, no need.
So we don't have to do this step every time?
No. If you keep the torch there, no need. Okay?
Okay. But why we need to prepare this all the time?
No. If it happens that you don't have any more zinc,
This expired actually.
yes. Because
Can
we
use?
stop- Yeah. Actually, we're not going to do a calibration using this one. This is only the alignment of torch.
عندنا في الماء في اشكي ايج
Man, this we can use. This is ours. Okay.
No, can use this one.
Keep it.
Can
This
this is yours.
this is ours.
نعم
So we don't-
مثلا تقادرت ممكن تعدل الاخر
ممكن.
But I want to know from which salt this we should prepare. From which salt of zinc?
Actually, it's not mentioned, but it's the same as standard. So you can check with the